Hello there, my name is Tommy Gartlin and today we're going to look at installing the Arduino IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it's the tool that we can use to edit and upload programs to the Arduino Uno board. So the first thing to do is just go to Google, do a quick search for Arduino. It's a very popular device and there's probably lots of hits when you search it, but we want the Arduino homepage, www.arduino.cc. We go to software because we want to download the IDE, and there's a number of ways of doing it, but assuming that you could download a zip file if you don't have admin rights, but we're going to just go with the Windows option here. Another way is to go through the Windows Store and download as an app, but this is the method we'll try first. So the Windows, if you feel like contributing then you can contribute, but I'm just going to be a little bit miserly here and just download. And you can see now the Arduino executable is downloading. Okay, so we're nearly there. You can see that you can click this icon here if the download window disappears. It usually puts it into the download folder. So if you go to the download folder, or you could just open the file here, whichever, that runs the executable to install the software. Or if it gets lost, just go to your downloads folder. You can see here in my downloads folder, I tried to install it yesterday as well, so that's why it's come up number 1. Yours will just be like this here. So you could just double click on it, or you could, well, it's disappeared from there now, so just double click on it to open it, to run it. Yes, I agree. Just select everything as the default suggests. This is the normal place where it puts it. It's worth taking note of it. It's in the C drive, which is the normal drive, program files x86, and usually you have 2 folders on your C drive, program files x86 for 32-bit devices and program files for newer PCs. So some software was developed for 32-bit systems, older PC systems, and that's why we have 2 folders, program files and program files x86, but the Arduino is going into the x86 folder in case you're looking for it afterwards. And off it goes. It's quite quick and it's quite a small application, so you won't have to worry about it, slowing down your machine or anything like that. And it's free, so you could always uninstall it and reinstall it at a later date if you like. And if you download the zip file and unzip it, you can just unzip it. You don't have to go through this installation process, and you could put it actually running on even on a small USB key. So it's a very convenient and easy to use piece of software. Okay, so it seems to be taking a little bit longer than normal this time, which is typical. But generally it's quite fast to install. Unfortunately, I use the escape key to pause the video, so I can't save you the time that I'm taking here with the video, and it seems to be eventually finished. So when it is finished installing, what you should see is an Arduino IDE icon on your window, on your desktop. So you could double click just to make sure that it opens up correctly. So we'll double click on this, and that looks, and I already have a program open here. When we create programs, we'll see later on, but I'll talk you through it, but that means it actually works. So one of the things you can maybe do is, I have line numbers here, and I'm not sure if that comes up by default, but just go display line numbers. That's in the preferences, file preferences. And you could also change the font size if you want to make it a little bit bigger as well to suit your preferences. And that's pretty much it. They're the main 2 things that you might want to choose about the preferences. Okay, so thank you for listening. In the next video we will look at maybe writing a simple program and uploading it to the Arduino Uno board. Okay, and see you soon. Bye now.